Hello guys, I just gonna do a very fast video, very quick video just to explain you something. I found out this today. I get this iPhone 6 Plus that the touch was not working, so I get this one recording. The phone was recording, so for me, okay, it has coding, not a problem. I'm just going to remove the coding and I will put in new IC. But my question was, when I remove the coding, I realized the N1, the one that we used to do a jumper here, there's no more trace here, so there's no way for us to do a jumper here. So at that moment I realized, what about the IC? Is going to be the same IC, the same IC that we use. Okay, so because the trace is not there anymore. So my question was, what about the other pads? They have the same connections. Can I use the same touch IC? That was my question by that moment. So what I did, I went to, I think this is a good information, I went to CXW, and by that point I just want to see if I test this one. Oh, let me see, let me change the cameras here. Okay, I changed, okay, right there. Okay, I test that one. I want to make sure it's the same, we have the same continuity, and it is there. Okay, same thing I did with few other pads. Let's say this one here, I did the same thing with this one, okay, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 goes to a filter, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here, same thing. Okay, that one is working. Change. Oh, okay. So this is what I did. I test from here, example through here. Oh, my dimmer is off. Okay, perfect. And I did the same thing here. You guys didn't see, it's right there. And I did the same thing with a couple more, and all the pads are in the same spot that like the other model. Okay, this is different here. Okay, this is A203675, which is the regular one, but here is B. The one that we always use, the M1 jumper, it has the letter A. Okay, so if you get this board B with the letter B, you are going to have coding, a lot of coding around the ICs. You can see there's a lot of coding. Apparently Apple tried to resolve the issue, put in the trace. There's no more trace outside. Now they have, we can make a jumper. We still can make a jumper from here through here. In case there's something is wrong, we're gonna have to do it from here through here. At this moment, it's no, I don't think it's bad. I don't see that it's bad. I still going to do a jumper just in case, but now we will have to do it from here through here. Okay, this is the old chip. This is the chip that I removed from there, from that board. Okay, this is the chip. As you can see, it has a lot of coding. They put a lot of coding. They try to fix the problem holding the IC with a lot of coding. So you can see the coding there. Okay, this is this is one that I have used, and I compare it. It has the same numbers. It's 343S0694. They have the same. The chip has the same numbers, different letters on top, but it has the same numbers. Okay, so the purpose of this video is just to let you know, guys, we can still use the same chips. The pads are the same. The only difference on this model is the trace is not going to be outside, now it's inside. Okay, this is something that apparently Apple tried to resolve, trying to resolve the issue they're having with the touch. Okay, I don't have my uniform because today is Sunday. I just came very early, like at 5 in the morning, to try to move in a lot of repairs that I have to fix. Thank you. Hopefully you guys enjoy and being helpful for you, okay? Thank you.